video, this is Heather from CysterWigs.com, and this is a review of the Kourtney from Rene of Paris in the color Honey Wheat. Kourtney's very cute. She's very versatile. She's got a very slight curl here at the bottoms. I mean, it's really slight. It's more noticeable in the back, but it kind of looks more like a flip than an all-out curl. You can tell right away that Kourtney is heavily layered. She's heavily layered here in the front. She almost looks kind of feathered if you sweep her off to the side. See? And then she's got all these layers cut all throughout. She has the potential for a lot of volume because she's got this permatease inner cap. So if you use your claw hands to kind of zhuzh that up a little bit, you can get a lot of body from this wig. Great casual, everyday sort of look. Let me go ahead and do a 360 so you can see what Kourtney from Rene of Paris looks like on all sides. This is a very cute mid-length cut. She feels kind of substantial, and I think that's due to the fact that she's got this permatease here on the cap. The fit on Kourtney is tight on me. I have a 23.5-inch cap circumference, so you know, it's slightly larger than average, so if something fits tight on me, I usually take that as an indication that this is a true to average fit. So this will be great on most women and feel very secure on. So let me go ahead and take Kourtney off now so I can show you what the cap construction looks like. You can see here that Kourtney has a completely closed cap, and she has felt right here at the front hairline. Now you can see, even though this is lace, this is not what we mean when we say that a wig has lace. By lace, we typically mean monofilament style lace. It looks almost like fishing line in a grid pattern, and that usually has a lot of hand-tied elements, so the hair tends to be knotted individually. This is a 100% machine-made wig. That's what helps keep the price down, but that necessitates the permatease a little bit because it not only adds volume to the top of the wig, but it also helps obscure any tracks. You see that she's open on the sides, and in the back she has an extended felt nape with an adjuster a bit like a bra strap. The ear tabs are also closed and covered with that sort of traditional French lace that you have on the top. Just gonna shake her out a little bit upside down and then put her back on. This is a really cute style for the price. I mean, there's nothing fancy going on here, but the cut is very cute and has quite a bit of styling potential. It's a nice little easy breezy layered mid-length. I'm Heather from CysterWigs.com. That's CysterWigs.com. Thank you so much for watching my wig videos. Hopefully you like what you see, and if so, be sure to subscribe so you don't miss any of the future content we come up with. We release videos all the time. And until next time, have a great night, everybody. Bye-bye.